Hi everyone, I am Jebee and I'll be introducing to you what breathing retraining is, and I'll be passing this phone to someone who will demonstrate to you breathing retraining while lying.
Hello, my name is Joana,
And I am Rowena J.
and we're passing this phone to someone who will demonstrate the breathing retraining
in sitting
position.
Hi, I'm Angela.
And I'm Jody.
And we're passing this phone to someone who will introduce Huff coughing.
Hi, my name is Paulo and I'm going to be passing this phone to the people who will demonstrate Huff coughing. Hi, I'm Francis Miko.
And I'm Hazel and Joyce.
And we're student nurses from College.
So the first exercise we'll be teaching you is called the breathing control or training. This might be recommended by your physiotherapist if you have a disordered breathing pattern. Normal breathing, as we all know, happens through your nose and using our diaphragm. But sometimes your breathing pattern might change, and that can be normal too. For example, if you have an acute viral illness, if you have an asthma attack, or if you have a pain in your chest. In any of those situations, your breathing pattern will change, and that's normal. But when the virus resolves, or the asthma attack is better, or when the pain is gone, your breathing pattern should be back to normal. Sometimes your breathing pattern can stay altered, and that can cause symptoms for you. If you have a disordered breathing pattern, you might experience symptoms of breathlessness, chest tightness, and feelings of not being able to get enough air in. You might also tend to breathe through your upper chest rather than your tummy or your diaphragm. And you might also find that you're breathing through your mouth rather than your nose. All of those are common features of breathing pattern disorder, and that's where this exercise will help you. Basically, this exercise aims to get your breathing back to normal pattern, improving your shortness of breath, decreasing the work of breathing, accessory muscle activity, and your rate of respirations.
Hi, I am student nurse Rowena and I'll be teaching you on how to perform the breathing retraining and lying position. So first, you need to lie down on the floor or onto your bed with your knees bent and your feet flat. So next is to place one hand on your chest and one hand on your tummy and relax into the surface beneath you. And as you are breathing in, you want to feel your tummy lift. And as you breathe out, you want to feel it relax back down. So you want to try and avoid any movement in your upper chest. So another technique for you is that you imagine if you have a balloon under the hand on your tummy, and as you breathe in, the balloon fills and your tummy lifts, and as you breathe out, it relaxes back down. So again, breathe in, the tummy lifts, and breathe out, relax back down. So if you can feel your tummy and your chest moving, try making your breath smaller. So that we try to make our breath smaller in order for us, for that the tummy will not, or it's just the tummy that will move. And as you breathe in, your tummy lifts, and you breathe out, it relaxes back down. So you need to make sure that your mouth is closed and you're breathing in and out through your mouth in performing this procedure. So again, breathe in and out through your nose and your mouth is closed. And by performing this, you need to make sure that your breathing is silent. And if you're breathing a bit fast, you can add a slight pause after each breath out, just to slow the rate of breathing.
Good day! I'm student nurse Joelle Devine D. So for now, we will be demonstrating breathing retraining while sitting down. What we aim to achieve today is for you to have a normal breathing pattern by breathing down to your stomach and breathing in and out through your nose. Today we have my fellow colleague that she's stating as my patient today. We're going to have her sit comfortably in a chair, place one hand on your chest and the other on your stomach. While breathing in, you want to feel your stomach lift, and as you breathe out, your stomach will relax back down. You want your upper chest to be still. If you can feel your chest and stomach rising and falling with each breath, try making your breath a little smaller. As you breathe in, your stomach should lift, and as you breathe out, it should relax back down. Make sure your mouth is closed and you're breathing in and out through your nose. Your breathing should be silent. If you hear your breaths in and out, try slowing them down or making your breaths slightly smaller until they're completely silent. As you continue doing this, you should be practicing it at least 4 times a day for until you can do it for 5 minutes.
Hi, now we're going to talk about huff coughing. Huffing, also known as huff coughing, is a technique that helps move mucus from the lungs. It is a gentle way of coughing which speeds airflow while you keep the throat open. To save energy and oxygen, you must practice and master the method of huff cough. It involves taking a breath in, holding it, and actively exhaling. Breathing in and holding it enables the air to get behind the mucus and separates it from the lung wall so it can be coughed out. Huffing is not as forceful as a cough, but it can work better and be less tiring. Huffing is like exhaling onto a mirror or window to steam it up, but don't worry, my group mates will demonstrate it for you.
Hi again, it's me, your student nurse Hannah, and today I will be teaching you effective huff coughing. So when teaching effective huff coughing, first is to help the patient assume in a sitting position, with head slightly flexed, shoulders relaxed, knees flexed, forearms supported by a pillow, and if possible, feet on the floor. Then, you should instruct the patient to inhale slowly through the mouth while breathing deeply from the diaphragm. Next is to hold the breath for 2 to 3 seconds. Next is to forcefully exhale quickly as if one is fogging up a mirror with one's breath, thus creating a huff. This moves the secretions to larger airways. Next is to repeat the huff 1 or 2 more times while refraining from a regular cough. Next is to cough when mucus is felt in the breathing tubes and rest for 5 to 10 regular breaths. Repeat the huffs 3 to 5 cycles until you feel that you have cleared mucus or you become tired.
That's all.